Hi Raquel, great talking to you, and it's great you found something that you're finding a bit of success with. I don't know how long you've been actually affiliate marketing, but I've been doing it full time for around a year, 18 months now. I've been online for about 3 years, and yeah, it's hard to find the right program to find success and surround yourself in the right with the right people. So I'm a member of the OLSP system or the system, whatever you like to call it. It's just been totally revamped and moving in a totally different direction. Basically, all I get is one link and I promote 7 income streams from it. But when I say I promote, the system promotes the other 6. All I do is promote the one link, and I get 100% commissions on the front end, and it's really paying dividends for a lot of affiliates inside. So obviously these are my outstanding commissions here. Those are it owes me, and if I just click on there's my total commissions just there, and these are the commissions that's coming in every day, continuously every day. Okay, lots of different commissions that work inside the dashboard, that work inside the system. So I mean, if you're interested in that, I do offer some bonuses as well. I offer a, a free access to my Facebook group, where I give you full support 7 days a week on how to progress with your affiliate marketing. And the other bonuses are you'll get a Facebook 101 course. You will also get a cool bit of software that we all use on Facebook that actually you can get commissions from just commenting on Facebook posts, and also you get the opportunity to make your posts go viral with this software. So it's really, really good stuff. And you'll also get a traffic fast start challenge, and you will get a guide and 2 webinars if you wish to watch them as you go in. So if you want to have a look, I'll leave the link below. Just have a look at that. And yeah, this video will probably redirect you to the system anyway, but I'm not forcing you. But if you want to have a look, that's fine. It costs you nothing. Yeah, and hopefully we'll find some success together. I'll give you my full support, like I say, with all the bonuses if you wish to join us. So yeah, great talking to you, and hopefully get some feedback as well. So take care, Raquel, and I'll see you soon.